Hi students, good morning all of you. So yesterday we discussed about the law of symmetry elements. In this class I want to discuss the definitions of two important terms in solid state. They may be the space lattice and the unit cell. So we need to know the definitions only for these terms. So I want to discuss only the definitions. So please listen carefully. What is the space lattice? The regular arrangement of an infinite set of points in space is called a lattice or a space lattice. Once again I repeat, the regular arrangement of an infinite set of points. The points may be atoms, ions or molecules in space is called a lattice or space lattice. The space lattice may be one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional, depending upon the number of parameters required to define it. So depending upon the number of parameters required to define it, the space lattice may be classified into three types: one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional. So here this table gives a parameters required for defining a space lattice. So for a one dimensional space lattice, repeat distances A. The interfacial angles, there is no interfacial angles for a one dimensional space lattice. Number of parameters required for defining the lattice, only one repeat distance. So for one dimensional space lattice, only one repeat distance and repeat only one parameter is required. For two dimensional space lattice, the repeated distances are two times a comma b and the interfacial angle taken as gamma, two repeat distances and an interfacial angle. So the number of parameters required for defining the two-dimensional space lattice is two repeat distances and an interfacial angle. Similarly, for a three-dimensional space lattice, the number of parameters required for defining the space lattice may be three repeat distances and three interfacial angles. The repeat distances may be taken as a comma b comma c and interfacial angles are alpha comma beta comma gamma. Okay, for example, this is one dimensional. Here the repeated distance may be only one type. There is no interfacial angle. So for a two-dimensional space lattice, we need two parameters, two repeated distances to define the space lattice. So here one interfacial angle is required. For three-dimensional lattice, we need three repeated distances A, B, C, and we also need three interfacial angles for defining the space lattice. Next, unit cell. What is the definition of unit cell? What is the definition of unit cell? The smallest repeating pattern from which the lattice is built is known as a unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest repeating pattern from which the lattice is built is known as unit cell. The unit cells are repeated over and over again in the three dimensions and result into the whole of the space lattice of the crystal. So, unit cell is the unit repeated over and over again in a three-dimensional and result into whole of the space lattice of the crystal. Thus, the unit cell in fact is the smallest sample that represents the picture of the entire crystal. The space lattice and the unit cell are shown in this figure. So this total is a space lattice. Take one more cube in this picture. This is the unit cell. By repeating this unit cell, we complete this whole space lattice of the crystal. So these are the definitions of the space lattice and unit cell. Okay.